Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their food fan to unbox and show you. Inside of this box, little instruction booklet, foam, and then here are little fan-like blades, even some replacement blades, or not blades, but, and then we have two fans here. So you're able to pull them out, clip them into place, and then this just goes right on top. And with a little set of batteries, two AA batteries, you're able to flip these on to protect your food. You do get two of them in here, and there's even a little hanging thing, so you could hang it upside down if you needed to. Quick and easy to put together though, and if we throw some batteries in here, I'll show you how they work. Batteries in, and then we just flip our switch. And so, if you were to hang it this way, you could do that. But most importantly, essentially designed to keep bugs away from your food. So think of it as you're outside, you're having a picnic, you have all your food sitting on the table. You can set up both of these, and the wind will keep the bugs away from your food. And that will essentially do it for these food fan fly repellers. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.